Why are we doing this again? Again, I did not like this trail. This isn't relaxing because I feel like I'm on high alert for anything to just come out at any second. The trail is narrowing. Why is it narrowing?
We're gonna break into a jog in a second. This is the adrenaline pumping hike. Well, I think the good thing is we're not near water.
Yeah.
And if we were near water, then I think our chances of running into a would be higher.
Oh, we're lost.